Hi guys, and today I'm literal strangest cat in my mama's back garden. Yeah, as crazy as it sounds, it's true. What? Look over it. Oh, she's got a good. Hey, and that's it. It's not my cat. It's not my mama's cat. Don't know whose cat it is actually, but it's here. I've just been playing with it for a while. Oh, I can't reach. Oh. Hope I didn't capture my face because I won't be able to upload it if I did. Right there. And you can't see me, okay? And you can see the cat. And I'm just going to go over here. Jump up! Oh. I don't know what the cat went. Oh, it's still there. I don't know what this cat's called, who this is, and where it came from, but no one knows that it's here. I'm going to get a ball real quick, guys. Okay. Come with me to get a ball. Okay, let's go. Just a quick reminder, I do not know who this cat is. But all I know is that this cat is here. So yeah. Bye guys. Boom shakalaka, boom like a boss.